Hey everyone, welcome to a Highlands Wellness Center tutorial. My name is Carson Mack, and I'll be taking you through proper safety and technique of the following movements. Let's get started. The fan bike is another bike variation that targets the lower and upper body. One of the main differences between the fan bike and the stationary bike is that here, the handles move in sync with the pedals. This means that you can use your legs and/or your arms to power the bike. Another difference is that the resistance is created through the air coming through the fan, so the faster you go, the more resistance there is. To begin riding, first adjust the seat and make sure it is just below hip height as you stand next to the bike. Also, be sure the seat is the correct distance away from the handles. In order to adjust the seat height, twist the black knob until it loosens, then pull it out and either raise or lower the seat. To adjust the seat distance, loosen the black lever and slide the seat forward or back. Once you are on the bike with your feet on the pedals, you should have a slight bend in your knee when your feet are the furthest point away from your body. Utilize the interactive screen for a more effective ride. Have a great ride! Thanks for watching. See you next time.